WhatsApp new GIF to sticker feature. So if you want to try the WhatsApp new GIF to sticker feature, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your WhatsApp application. After opening your WhatsApp, now you need to go with a chat, any chat that you're comfortable with, in which you would like to go with the new GIF to sticker feature. Now once you're here, you need to go with your keyboard and then search for GIF. Once you search for GIF, you'll have your GIFs, right? So you need to tap on the GIF, and once you tap on it, it has different options right here. You'll have edit as a sticker, edit as GIF, or send as GIF, or send as sticker. So in order to send your GIF as a sticker, you need to tap on send as sticker. And as you can see, that your GIF has been sent as a sticker. Or you can also just simply go with the stickers icon, which is on your message bar on the left side. And here you'll have your GIFs. And on the right side, you will have your stickers. You'll be able to create some stickers if you want to, or you can go with your emojis. So go with the sticker section, and from here you can just simply tap on create and then select an image from your gallery and then create a sticker. And you'll be able to customize these stickers. So that's how you can send a new GIF to a sticker. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.